To make these pancakes, the first thing we need to do is measure out 5½ ounces of self-raising flour into a large measuring jug, along with 2 ounces of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 egg. Then loosely mix and incorporate the ingredients while slowly streaming in 200 milliliters of milk. Stopping as soon as the milk is incorporated, taking care not to overmix. When it comes to pancakes, lumps are not a bad thing. If there's a few streaks of unmixed flour, that's okay, but the more you mix, the chewier the pancakes will end up. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of syrup, lightly stirring to incorporate. Cover with cling film and store in the fridge for a minimum of 1 hour and up to 24 hours to allow the flour to hydrate and the flavours to develop and mature. Then we need to talk frying pans. You can either go non-stick or a regular lightly oiled pan. I recommend non-stick to get a really evenly golden brown pancake. For non-stick, into a preheated pan on medium-high heat, pour in your batter and cook for around 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And leave until little bubbles have appeared on top and the edges begin to turn brown. Then flip and cook on the other side until lightly browned. To avoid perfectly good tasting but not particularly pretty looking pancakes like this, avoid the temptation of adding lots of butter or oil to the frying pan. To get even browning in a regular pan, place a cube of butter into some paper towel. And on medium-high heat, lightly wipe the base of the pan, effectively creating a non-stick layer, while not leaving enough to create uneven browning. Whichever way you decide to cook them, just repeat until you've no mixture left, and you should be left with a stack of delicious fluffy pancakes. To serve with butter and syrup, fruit and yogurt, or to have for breakfast, lunch or dessert. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, the recipes will be in the description below. Let me know what you think or if you try this for yourself down in the comments. For more recipes, check out my cooking playlist. If you enjoyed today's video, a like and subscribe to support the channel would be greatly appreciated. Leave any suggestions for future recipes you'd like to see down in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.